Okay, go for it. You got...
Good job. Here we go, sis.
Hey, big boy.
Ow! Try again. Go. Let's go. Let's go. How he tried it. I tried. How we go to west? How we turn to west? How we turn to west? I turn to west.
Okay, turn left. Don't you dare go in that bowl. No. Come on.
The white.
Drop in right here. Right there.
In the air. Oh no!
Get up. Come on.
Where are you going?
We're not going in the bowl, dude.
Grab the white.
No, we're not going in the bowl.
Grab the white.
No. Well, we have to wait for you to be able to stand up. You want to stand up on the board?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
It is so easy.
Well, I want you to learn. Come on. Time to learn. Come on.
How to turn the white.
Come on.
How to turn the white.
Come on.
How we do the big.
We're not going to do big. Well, I want you to learn how to stand now. Come here.
Big it. Try that. Hey!
Let go.
I
Come here.
want to get
Come here.
back.
Come here.
go this way to
We're
whip.
gonna go this way. I want you to stand up.
And then get in the ball.
Spread your legs. Spread your legs.
The ball ain't going there?
Duck down. There you go. Hold on. I mean, not hold on.
On tight.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
Here we go. Good job. You're standing up now. Good job. You want to go down this way?
Yeah.
Here.
This.
Here, stand up
I
on it
go
again.
the ball on it.
Stand up on the board again. No, stand up. Stand up. I don't want you to push yet. Spread your legs. Spread your legs. Duck. Okay. This is going to go real fast. And you're probably going to fall. But you're not going to get hurt. Squat. Bend your knees. Okay. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What's wrong?
I'm trying for
No, we're not going down the bowl.
We have to wait. We have to wait yet?